Absolutely. The paints and products I will be using are the black Mod Podge base coat, golden brown, burnt sienna, and the gloss Mod Podge. I got all of these at Michael's. Start off with a very thin layer of the base coat, just enough to cover this, but don't lose the texture. It is a balance. I want to hide all that green foam, but I don't want to fill in all the little cracks and green that I made with my texturing. Spread it around quickly and push it into the cracks and bust your table legs off while you're at it. Jeez! All right, easily fixed. This does happen sometimes. Glue gun is still on, so I'll just tack them down again and be a little bit more careful next time. Voila, good as new. Maybe. See, I am no master. Even I make mistakes. In fact, quite often. And one of the things about, one of the, I think, benefits of these extended cuts of these videos is that you get to see that is the case. I think very often, based on the comments that I get on my videos, that people seem to think I have, some people anyway, seem to think I have some sort of extra human ability to be able to do this stuff, or that I'm exceptional in some way. And I'm not.
Yes, you are.
I'm unique. We're all unique. No question about that. But I'm no more capable than you are. And I, too, break the legs off of my table while I'm working. I've had worse accidents happen, believe me. Okay, next we're going to go in with the burnt sienna. And I really just want a very, very thin coat of this. It's more of an overbrush, but this is just a very thin coat. I don't want the table that color. I want it a darker reddish brown. So I want this black to really undertone it. I can build these up. If I don't have enough color, I come back with some more and it's fine. Now I'm going to do a dry brush with the golden brown. Very dry brush. Cross the grains at first just to get that detail. All right, this is the tone that I'm going for here. Next, I'll come in with the gloss Mod Podge and coat the whole thing. This is going to give it that polished shine. Extremely thin coat of this. I don't need hardly any of this on there. Just glaze it. This is just going to give it a shine, that's all. And it will also, have the benefit of sealing in the paint. I think that looks pretty great. Sure looks like a polished walnut, cherry, could be a lot of woods. If you wanted a cedar, you may add a little bit of burnt orange to the original coat. But that looks great. I am going to go through and do the black wash now. You don't have to do this step, but I want to. It's going to get into these cracks and really make those stand out more. But as I said, you could stop here. It looks pretty good. But I like to make those details really pop, which the wash will do. Don't be afraid of the wash. Just soak your piece. Let it get into all the crevices. Come in with a little paper towel and just dab off the pooling. Do not press the paper towel. Just dab it. And there is the final result. I think the effect is pretty good. It looks to me like a highly polished hardwood table. You might find this in a lord's house or in a castle. By comparison, here is the more rustic version I've made in the past, right? Just aged wood, and that's 2 approaches to the tables. What do you think? Was I able to pull it off? Do you think I can improve it? Thanks for checking it out. The paints and products I will be using are the black Mod Podge base coat, Craft Smart golden brown, Americana Deco Art.
Sorry.
All right, let's try it again. One more time. And action.